and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome and welcome to the first episode of my Advent calendar series on my YouTube channel. Really excited because I've wanted to do this and I was like umming and ahhing, should I do this? This is going to be a lot of work, but you know what? I love Christmas so much. Anything that will put me in the Christmas spirit, I will do it. And I thought this would be such a cozy little thing to do. So what I'm going to do is open like a little door, if you will, every single day, first until the 25th of December. And I will open my Advent calendars with you, of which I have 3. So I have a chocolate lint Advent calendar, I have a Pukka Christmas calendar, which has got little tea bags in it for every day, and then behind them is the big boy. I can't say that with a straight face or without saying the big boy. Anyway, so that is the biggest version of the Body Shop calendar that they did this year. So they've done 3 different versions. Quick little picture of the different versions on the screen now. I did show you those in the last video as well. If you didn't see my last video, little card in the corner for that. So these are going to be just 10-minute videos every single morning at 9 AM. We're going to sit here, have a cup of tea, try the new tea bag, which will be in the Advent calendar, and just chat about Christmas. I'll have a look and see what I got in my Advent calendar from Body Shop. I'll have some Christmas present ideas for you as well. If you're struggling a little bit, that might be very helpful for you. And we're just going to chat about Christmas and have a nice 10 minutes in the morning. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also ring the little bell so you can get a notification when the video comes up. If you can't watch it at 9 o'clock because you're either already at work or you're sleeping, don't you worry, you watch it at lunchtime. Okay, so let's jump right into the video. I'm actually doing it. I'm so excited. Get yourself together. Right, so we are going to open the Pukka Christmas calendar. Hooray. About halfway through December as well, I'm going home to Norway, and obviously you're coming with me, and those episodes then will be filmed in Norway. And we've got a new puppy at home, so he'll be making an appearance and I'm so excited to meet him. Oh wow, okay. So this just wrapped itself out as a... Oh, and there's a ribbon, so I can tie this to the wall, I suppose? So it's not really a surprise because you can see what you're going to get every single day. So number 1 is here. So we're having the, can I even pronounce that? Turmeric? Is that right? Turmeric Active. Let me know if that's wrong. Awesome. And it says an invigorating blend of the finest organic turmeric, ginger and galangal. So I've already, because I'm obviously super prepared, already boiled a cup of water. And we're going to try this tea. I'm just going to leave that for a second. Okay, so obviously the first episode is a bit more of an introduction to the Advent calendar, but something I have to talk about today because it is the first Sunday in Advent. And if that means nothing to you, I'll quickly explain. In Norway, I don't know, maybe it's a Scandinavian tradition, I don't know, but we will always light a candle for the 4 Sundays before the 24th, because we celebrate on the 24th. So today is actually the first Sunday in Advent, which means one of the candles needs to be lit. Success? Success. So I was always told this verse, like a poem, with each of the candles. Don't worry, I'm not going to bore you with that. But there's a 3-sentence verse for each of them, which we would say every Sunday when you lit another candle. And it was kind of a way of counting down towards, obviously, the birth of Jesus. But nowadays, I think people kind of just light them as almost like a Sunday Advent calendar, if you will. So today I will push this back a little bit. Oh, I love that so much. Oh, Christmas spirit. So for Christmas, I usually start on the 1st of November. Stop it. It's not too early. I used to have this feeling that I need to get Christmas in my house before Christmas takes over the store. Now they're starting and literally Halloween is over. Christmas! It's Christmas! Christmas! Immediately after Halloween, which I think is... that is too early. That's too early. That's kind of taking the magic away a little bit. But in November, I'm allowed to start in November. Right, before I try the tea, I need to open the chocolate calendar. It looks like this. I need to put my name on it. Looks like that. So on the 1st, we get reindeer. Yeah, we get a little reindeer. Right, so the turmeric active. Smells like oranges. Well, that's quite nice. It's very fresh. If you don't like tea, by the way, Pukka, give it a go. You might actually like it. They're all caffeine free. It's organic and they do a lot for preserving the earth. So that's definitely a brand to check out. Not sponsored, but Pukka, if you want to, hi. That's very nice. I like that. Okay, so what probably you're waiting for is the Body Shop calendar. Right, let's just move Mr. Flower. Mr. Candle, I'm going to leave Mr. Candle and then we're going to look for number 1. Right. Can you see? Ah. So something's going to slump down. I really love the way they've like set this up and the packaging of this year. So it's basically like you'll see on the screen, it's like a big house and then you kind of open it and it kind of fits in here. So obviously the triangles are all fitted to suit the roof. I think it's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Okay, so number 1 looks like that. And then it says French-Polish scientist Marie Curie, pioneering research on radioactivity led her to become the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and the first person to win twice for 2 different sciences. Oh, and it says it's in French on the other side. That's brilliant. I'm not going to read that. So the whole calendar is kind of, it's got this like empowering woman sort of thing. So you've got women voting, got like the female Santa. So it's got that whole empowering women vibe, which I think is great. Ooh. So obviously this was the most expensive one. So at the end, I'm going to try and work out how much money I would have saved or not saved by buying all these items individually. So we will see if it was worth it. And yeah, I know there's a lot of YouTube videos out there with people opening the advent calendars all in one go. That's not what we're going to do. We're going to be here. We're going to be together. We're going to have a really cozy time in the morning. Nice start of the day together, and we're gonna open one by one like God intended. Okay? Oh, do you know what? I don't particularly like bananas, but anything that smells like banana or anything that tastes like banana that isn't banana, yeah, I'm serious. Like any banana sweets, I just love. Oh, so this is the Banana Truly Nourishing Hair Mask. Oh, and I already know, because I've had the shampoo and conditioner of the same thing. I know it's going to smell amazing. I've not had this though, so that's exciting. Oh, it smells so good. It literally gave me tingles all the way down to my knees. My knees are tingling. Oh my god. Oh my god. Smell it! I wish you could. Oh, look at that. So it's obviously been sideways a little bit, but who cares? Oh, that is so nice. Oh, that smells amazing. And it also says, with community trade banana from Ecuador, formulated without silicones, which is actually really, really good. I don't know if you know this, but a lot of hair products have silicones in them. And what silicones do... Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. What silicones do is basically create a barrier over the hair follicles, so your hair will feel super soft. And you know, if you've got really treated hair, like obviously girl's not a real blonde. Now I know it's a shock to most people. If you have really like chemically treated hair, personally go for the silicones. So many other brands like Redken, Tigi, like Bedhead stuff, they all have silicones in them, and I think for some hair types that is absolutely fine and that's good. If you've got natural hair, like just semi-permanent colour or no colour at all, try going for something without silicones, because what silicones do is put, like I said, put the barrier around your hair and nothing can come through. So like, say if you have a nourishing mask, say the shampoo that you're using has got loads of silicones in it, and then you use something like this, like a nourishing mask that is intended to go into the hair and like do all these good things for your hair, it's not going to happen, because the silicones will create that barrier, nothing good will come in. And once you stop using silicones, you might feel like your hair's actually quite gross because it's shedding the silicone, and that might take 2 to 3 washes, might take a week, might take 2 weeks, depending on how much stuff you've got in your hair. So if you wanted to go like hair natural, no nasties, you have to give it a while. Okay, but enough of that. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this first episode, and I hope you stick around for the rest of them. Please, please, please. I'd be so happy if you would like to stick around and do this with me every single morning, because I promise you, I will not stray. I will give you an episode every single morning, and I will probably have foreign moments. Quite a few foreign moments. And there'll be a puppy at some point, you'll be in Norway at some point, and I will show you everything. We'll open the advent calendars, we'll keep lighting the little candle. I might not light the candle every single day, because the whole point is kind of to get that staircase effect, so that you get... So if you burn one too much, no, you get it, you get it. So I really hope you enjoyed this episode. We're off to a good start, and I will see you tomorrow. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, make sure your mum and anyone who would enjoy to see these videos every single day, make sure they subscribe to my channel, and we can have a wonderful 10 minutes every single morning at 9 AM. I will see you tomorrow.